Here we're introduced to figure 2.1, percentage method of withholding a single person. Each weekly allowance is $63.46. Weekly taxable wage, if it's over but not over, so if it's between 51 and 195, if it's between 195 and 645, if it's between 645 and 1482. Example 2. Lance Hart's gross pay for the week is $393.23. He's a carpenter's apprentice, is single, and claims 2 allowances. Use the percentage method of withholding. What amount will Lance's employer withhold from his paycheck, his pay for federal income tax? Now he's using this percentage method. The percentage method, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find our allowance amount, which is the number of allowances times 6346. So we have 2 allowances, so we're going to find our allowance amount. So we're going to take 2 times 63.46. 2 times 63.46, $126.92. Next, we're going to go to our second step. Taxable wage is your gross pay minus your allowance amount. Taxable wage is going to equal my gross pay. That's this $393.23 minus my allowance amount, which is that answer we just got, the $126.92. So we're going to do $393.23 minus $126.92, $266.31. Last, it says, amount withheld for FIT, use the taxable wage in the FIT chart. So it's asking us to use this chart. Our weekly taxable wage is this $266.31. So we're over 195, but less than 645. So it says the amount of income tax to withhold is $1,440 plus 15% of the excess over 195. Okay, so I'm going to call this amount withheld. It's going to equal 1440 plus 15%, so we're going to write that as 0.15, that's the decimal form, of anything over 195. Well, we had 266.31, so we're going to take 266.31 and subtract 195. $266.31 minus 195. So we're going to do 1440 plus 15% of 71.31. $15 times 71.31 is $10.70, because that's 696. So whenever I do 14.40 plus $10.70, I get $25.10 withheld. Again, that's $25.10. Now remember that in order to do this step, you're going to have to repeat the process, all 3 steps. I want you to take 7 minutes to work through, try these 3 and 4. 7 minutes. Go ahead and pause your videos now. As you can see, the answers to questions 3 and 4 have been provided for you. Go ahead, take a moment to write these answers down. If you have any questions, let me know. And move on to the question to wrap this lesson up.